What's going on, guys? Arthur the Reactor here, and we're reacting to Reincarnated Slime, Season 4, Episode, excuse me, 8. Man, what a phenomenal episode last week. Like, I didn't know Shohei had that much aura. Like, damn, dude. Then that clone skill seems so convenient. Like, I knew he had that fight in the bag. Like, I get she had a gun, and, like, she had magical bullets, but I don't think that was going to work on him. But I'm curious to see if Lemur was actually going to hire her as an assassin or not. Because it would make sense with her, like, skill set. And she has nothing better else to do right now. So it would definitely make sense to, like, have her in his back pocket for a wild card. Because I'm sure now Maribel knows she can't control her with her greed. So, yeah. Without further ado, and I want to apologize for no reaction last week as I had a lot of things to do. But without further ado, I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, let's hop right on in. The Gambit of Greed. Yeah, he's completely under her control. I'm curious how he fell for that. And the Demon Lord is out of the question. I think deep down he wants to, like, be over Maru though. Growing by the day. Here's an urgent matter to report. I already see the magic call. The Cunning Vexen? Oh, are you talking about the assassin? Yeah, can you check her situation to greed? That's why I can't read her. Yeah, he removed it. You fucked. It's like the Gunda was killed by Demon. Oh, she don't know. So this could be his wild card. Have you seen any opportunity to meet Demon Lord Rimuru? Let's see. I'm not saying that. I'm marrying you for Rimuru. Interesting. So she can't tell when her greed's been dispelled. It's an ancient ruin that lies between. I'm not saying that. Apparently, it's modeled after the city of an old super magic nation. Interesting. Maybe fit it with the magic power reactor as well. I'm guessing you want that reactor? It's the power source used to run the Sunya Soma. The principle of the old world's magical technology. It will probably wipe out the entire surrounding area. That would be bad news. Didn't you say you could defeat the Luminor? I don't think he can. Maybe you're moved there, are you? It's coming along with the mission too. I don't like her. We will jump him there. Yeah, this is not gonna work in your favor. We're on if we're supposed to find a kind of firepower. Yeah, this is a stupid plan for me. Give me just everything. I mean everything. This is a stupid plan. Understanding the way of our current situation, which means the perfect time to use that thing. What thing? Is the thing you got from the dragon nest? Do you have your own dragon? Doesn't matter. So you wanted to rampage? End up killing Rimuru. Oh yeah, he's gonna be pissed. Yeah, he would be actually really pissed about that. You don't need to worry about that. Just focus on defeating. I'm guessing you have a backup plan for that. You're stupid, Yuki. I got a feeling Yuki's gonna get himself killed. Maribel said right to his face. Those under her control never realize the truth no matter what you tell them. You couldn't get any skill during the dimensional crossing. Yeah, that kind of sucks. Yuki isn't guilty. Yeah. I know other things, so please hire me. Dude, you need to hire her. She can be your wild card. Maribel knows that she doesn't know she's alive. Building. She's tweaking. Yeah. What is that? Must learn. Yeah. I think Shuna wanted those. Yeah, he didn't want that at all. Alright, that looks good. Talk about like, yeah, it's pretty lively in there. Once you place your orders, please bring this wooden token to the counter to exchange it for your meal. So you don't have to pay money? Oh, that looks so good. I'm guessing Shian's not cooking, so that's great. Special menu for you, Master Marine. Oh, that's good. Either serve up loyalty points to book it or get in line early to get it. Why didn't you pick the special too? Aww. W. Rimuru. I don't think he can refuse her. You might want to calm down a bit. So that point system is quite an idea. I mean, it's from your original world. So even just pay the salaries. Is that Gabuto? Where you been? You've been off screen for the past like 5 episodes. This is my position. I do manage a certain amount of national budget though. Damn. It's probably best to trust her though. They probably not good with money anyway. You're making me treat you. Nah, she's broke. I feel her. Nah, she's broke. She just don't want to admit it. So. Intentional figures. I don't like this image. Was being employed all along, yeah. He's one of the 5 elders. Dude, you gotta get rid of that haircut. This just not working. It seemed like the 2 of them had conflicting opinions. This man rode away to pit people against each other within the organization. Bro acting like he got aura. Like, really? See, I like him, but bro acting like he got aura. That's 7 points to fight for survival. Premiere about why do y'all want to work for her so badly though? She's thinking never shows her face. I mean, you valid point. Nah, let him do it. Here's a group called Blood Shadow that does deserve work for the Rozo family. Oh, they sound like a problem. So you better watch your back. Why is there a dragon behind them? What was that dragon? Yeah. Yeah. You like that anyone will be hostile to you. Do you not remember what you did in season 3? I thought the console was the first step toward building a comic zone. Dude was just chilling. It's over for time being. It's so nice to welcome newcomers. Yeah. Gabuto, shouldn't you go over there? Or was that not Gabuto? Was that like a twin? Keep an eye on Yuki too. They might set up traps via the guild. Yeah, they already planning that. Oh, that is him.
You're
going to expect to ruin the guild submaster. Nah, it's too late for that. I went ahead and asked her to. Yeah. It's too late now. She's gonna get mad and pissed about it. Yeah. It's like going straight into the enemy's trap. I mean, to be fair, he's strong enough to beat both of them. To really create an opening to lure them out. Lure the enemy out. Could have just left. You might want to put that spell on them so they don't get affected by Mirabelle. Gets inside to the blink of an eye. Yeah. Well, I'm going home now. That's so convenient. I bet you're gonna have to come and save him. Yeah, I bet she's gonna come out to save him. It's that now, big day. I got a bad feeling. What's that? Display it forever. What is it? What is that? Oh, Okay. Yeah, it actually does look great on her. Limited to everyone. She'll be mine or closely from now on. But I can only earn their trust. Are we sure you wanted the dwarves to make handguns? I mean, I guess for his people, like, it'll be fine. Cause like, if we're being honest, Remove Nation would be the smartest ones to add with. What is that outfit? What is that outfit? How she's in shorts. How are you not sure there's not gonna be a snowy area? She doesn't want to change. Did you bring that with you? Bring what? Okay, that was fast. He's the smartest one to have it. I would not let her see it. Pretty useless to us since we can use magic, powerful magic. Oh yeah, he can't use magic. This kind of thing is just fun for the fun of it. That's not the outfit he meant. It's too late to buy it now. What were you doing the whole time? You need a little more later. Oh, he's going with her. Why can't he? Aren't you supposed? The rest of the team. But are you sure you're up to it? I'm guessing she doesn't like Millennium. Oh, interesting. Interesting.
できることはやっておきたいだけさ。僕の欲望は大きいからね。
What is your ambition?
勇気神楽坂。信用できるのか
Nope.
やつは。
心配ないのよ、おじいさま。
Greed's control is absolute. Can you lose control of that greed though?
魔王。リム。
Rimuru.
父よ。
For the 7 days, Calgary destroyed and Saint Hinata growing stronger.
魔王リムルの支配
It's only meant to become more unshakable. I mean, he's not unshakable though. Go meet him. And you would see.
絶対に阻止しなくてはな
Not
ら
that
な
from
い
happening.
でしょ。
支配できるのか
Nope. Special comes, I'll have him die. I don't think he can die.
たとえそれで暴風竜が暴れようとも
Demon Lord Luminous won't stand by Ally. Yeah, she won't stand by either.
西側諸国は守られるか
Y'all are asking like for the apocalypse to happen.
存分にやるがいい
This fucking guy.
行ってまいります。
Y'all are stupid. All y'all have to do is go talk to him. For the sake of humanity's future.
目に
Y'all are dumb.
お待ちしておりました。
お久しぶりです。今日からしばらくお世話になります。はじめましてだな。
Oh, she don't remember you.
よろしくなのだ。
こちらこそよろしくお願いします。
Lady Millium. What is happening? What's wrong with her eyes?
どうだった？特に問題はないようなのだ。
Okay.
なんか
Something about her is kind of unsettling. Yeah, she don't really like you that much.
紹介しますわ。今回同行する調査団です。私が鍛え上げた中でも特に優秀な者
Maybe
た
they
ち
have
です。
trained.
よしあとは
Let's head over to the carriage.
じゃあこのルートですかね。
I don't trust them.
リムル様、お荷物はどちらに？一緒に積みますよ。
ああ、いや、特
I didn't
に
really
用意
bring
してない
much.
から大丈夫です。
Where's she on?
まあ、ご冗談でしょう。そんな軽装で
Those
遺
aren't
跡
tight
探査
clothes
を
though.
ほら、
Hmm.
私から見れば、あなた方は探索というものを
Way
舐
too
めていま
lightly.
す。
I mean, they're
大丈
overpowered.
夫ですって。こう見えて冒険した経験は豊富ですんで。
I mean, he's a demon lord. What do you
そこま
expect?
でおっしゃるなら構いませんが、困ったことがあればすぐにご相談ください。それで
Do you not know? Do you not realize how strong he is? Okay. All right. That's convenient. I thought like how the head of the
ど
dragon.
うぞ通ってください。出た先がジスターブです。
All right, why is it foggy? Also, this is convenient so that they don't get attacked behind.
の距離だぞ
Hmm.
魔王すごすぎる
I'm like, do you not realize how strong he is? All right, who are they? Oh.
お待ちしておりました。
All right, who are
リム
you?
様、ミリム
I
様、
know all the guild
ギ
members
ル
of
ド
the
の
guild.
皆様。ようこそジスターブへ。
Are they dark elves? Interesting. Like, I kind of figured. See, my thing is, I don't think Maribel knows that the greed thing probably won't work on Rimuru. So, once she tests it, I'm sure like Raphael Sensei can probably just spell it like that and then warn Rimuru. So either way, like at this moment, she might be just cooked. Cause like, I know saying having him die if that fails, but at the same time, he can't really die right now, especially in his slime form. So just like, you're kind of out of options right now. And then even if he were to die, like, Veldor don't give a damn. He will like Veldor is stronger than you. So I'm just like, and then at top of that, I'm sure that your greed spell don't work on him either. Cause all dude wants is like manga and like anime. So I'm just like, okay, like I highly doubt like he's gonna get like greed, but I don't know. I'm curious to see where this is gonna go because this doesn't seem like a smart plan. And then I don't think Yuki is like strong enough to take on Rimuru right now in his current state. Maybe season 3 Rimuru, he could have took him on, but it's kind of too late for that now. So I'm just curious to see how that fight's gonna go. But I hope you enjoyed the reaction. I'll be like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you for episode 9.